the channel. Today's video is an IKEA haul. As most of you know, we just recently bought a new home here in Tallahassee, and we've been here for about 3 weeks, and we're slowly figuring out the house and learning about it and figuring out like our belongings and where they fit in the home. And there was a few things that we figured out that we need to get rid of, and then there was things that we realized that we needed. So I was on the internet looking for this specific item, and I found myself on IKEA website. So personally, I have never ordered anything from the IKEA website before. So I found what I was looking for, went to the checkout, done all the things, get to the shipping for the delivery, and they were charging $300 for delivery. I was like, there's no way. I backed out of it, and then I redone everything, and no, sure enough, it was $299. So $300 for a delivery fee from Jacksonville to Tallahassee, or wherever they were delivering it from. The closest store was Jacksonville. I think there's one in Atlanta. There was one in Tampa, maybe. I can't remember all of the locations, but the closest one to us was Jacksonville. It's like, you know what? I would rather take one for the team and drive to Jacksonville than to pay that $300 shipping fee. So that's what we did. And since it was a 2.5-hour drive, we decided to kind of make a day of it. We went to lunch, and then we went to IKEA and was able to look around and see the showroom. I haven't been there in several months, and so I got to see some of the new things. And halfway through the store, I realized that I had missed an opportunity to do a shopping vlog, and now like it's like, oh, why didn't I do that? I should have recorded, but I was able to enjoy the moment with my husband and my kid. And anyways, with all of that being said, I've got a big blue bag of things, probably stuff that you don't need. But if you're interested, stick around, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want. I do hauls quite often because, let's face it, I like to shop. Anyways, without further rambling, let's get into it. So let's move this into the floor so that it's not like being seen on screen or anything. Okay, so as we all know, Halloween stuff is already being displayed in the stores. IKEA was no exception. So there are several things for Halloween here. Forgive me if you don't celebrate. I don't celebrate a ton, but my daughter was with me, and whenever it's us two together, it usually never turns out very good on Steven's wallet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab what's on top, which is the most adorable mat rug, door rug, entryway rug for Halloween. So cute. It's like $10, I think. It's so adorable. The one that we have out there now is the exact same color and exact same material, only it says hello. And so I thought that this would be a nice swap for the spooky season. And so, yeah, Lillian spotted this one, and it's really cute. They have several different designs, but I think it's gonna add something extra to the front door without going over the top, if you know what I mean. Like, we don't do like the big, huge, like blow up decorations and we don't do all that stuff, but I think that this would be a cute, subtle touch to celebrate the holiday. Okay, so the next thing in here is for Halloween as well. This is a little, I think it's like an LED tree or like a fiber. It doesn't say, it just says Custofer, the name, I'm not sure how you pronounce that. I get this open. Okay. It was so cute in the store. They had like 2 on display. We had to go and search for this one. So cute. The top is bent. Okay, so I'm gonna have to have like a little faff around with it. Let's see, is there an on? Oh, I need batteries. I remember the guy that was helping us look for them. He said that it takes like 3 AA batteries, so I will have to get some batteries for it. But anyways, it has these little light bulbs. I don't know if you can see the little clear pieces right there, they light up orange. And I just thought that it would be a cute little thing to either set on the mantle or on the side buffet bar in the dining room, but I thought it was adorable, and yeah, I just think it's really cute. And then I'm gonna go find some batteries and throw them in here, and I will show you that here. Okay, in the like candle holder section, they had these little vases that I thought were adorable. So we got 2 of them, and the way that they had them set up was not with a candle in it, but with some black greenery, which I thought was awesome. Like, this is gonna go with like the whole aesthetic of my house. Like, my house is like black and white except for my kids' rooms, but everything is black and white, and it's going to be so cute coming this Halloween season. I got 2 of them to go like this, so I think for sure one is going to go on the, it's tangled. One is gonna go on the mantle for sure. I haven't figured out where I wanna put the other one. I don't know, I may even put them like hanging off of the side of where my refrigerator side panel is right there. I think that might be cute. Anyway, so I grabbed a couple of them to go along with the Halloween theme. Now, that was all of the Halloween stuff, and that's probably as much as we would do. Like, we really do not just like go overboard with Halloween or any other like holiday decorating other than Christmas, I think. Anyway, so that was all of the Halloween stuff, and then the next 4, 6 things are just regular things. I saw this, a microwave plate. I have been wanting to get one of these for a while. I know it seems so insignificant, but these guys really do come in handy. I had one a few years ago. I don't know what happened to it, and it just like disappeared. But these are super handy for your microwave to help keep it clean so that you don't have like huge messes, because it's so much easier to just wipe this out than it is the whole microwave. So this is like necessity slash kind of like not necessity, but in my opinion, it's definitely a necessity for the kitchen. The next thing was all Lillian. That's all I can say. It's all Lillian. So these, if you haven't figured it out, are, hang on, let me get this opened. Yep, push it through there. These are little things to make popsicles. So Lillian saw this and just had to have it, and I was like, you know what, I think it's really cute. We talk about doing this kind of stuff all the time. It's like, oh yeah, that'd be a great idea for this summer, something fun for the kids to do, but then I never actually do it. So when she saw this, she was like, Mom, you've been telling me for years that we can make popsicles, and we never do. But now we can actually make homemade popsicles. So she's been wanting to use this. I've had this sitting in the bag for a few days, and now she can finally use it. Okay, so the next 2 things are basically the same thing, just duplicates, and that is panels, curtain panels, sheer curtains. Lillian does not have curtains hanging in her bedroom right now. We already have a white rod with the little bracket things, but they're in Gavin's room, so we're gonna have to take that down from there. That's just what come with the house. And I was like, well, we'll just use them. There's nothing wrong with them, plus they're white. And she wants white, so I don't see any point in having to go buy new curtain rod whenever we already have one. So we're like repurposing it and, you know, like saving the planet and that sort of thing. But she chose white because she wants her room to be pink and white, and her walls are pink, so white curtains it is. Speaking of Lillian's room, let's head in there. So now that we're in Lillian's room, this desk is another thing that we picked up while we were there. And before anyone asks, she was with us. That's why there's a lot of things geared towards Lillian in here in this video. Anyway, so her desk that she did have previously was much bigger than this one, and her room is pretty small. So this one has the 2 drawers and a door with 2 shelves, 3 shelves. Okay, so yeah, this just worked out better for the space in her room. We are actually looking into getting her a like a day bed, because this, oh, I was trying not to show you her mess. This is a full-size bed, and so if we were to get a day bed and cut it in half, basically it would give her a ton more space in her floor. So yeah, but I just wanted to share this with you, and then I have one more thing to show you. Let's go. And this right here is actually the main piece that I was looking for on the IKEA website, and this is what I had tried to have delivered, but it was going to cost $300. So I don't know if it was because of the size, or if it was the distance, or the weight, or what it was. But I just could not see us paying $300, which Steven told me that if we went ahead and just paid the $300 shipping fee, we wouldn't have spent the extra money in the store on the other things, which probably is true, but we still got the experience, and we were able to get Lillian a desk and all that kind of fun stuff. Anyways, but this is the Billy bookcase, but it's like a double, and it has the glass doors on it. Now, it's not quite as big or substantial as I was thinking. I probably should have measured out like with the tape measure, how big it was going to be, like width wise and height wise, and the depth from the floor to the baseboard. But overall, I think it's a nice fit in the space for what it is. Let me back up a little bit. See, I was expecting it to be at least a little bit more, a little bit taller, and just a little more girthy, I guess. I don't know the correct word to say, but I do like it, and I like it whenever I like walk past it and I see like the reflections in the windows, and I think it looks really nice. I'm probably gonna have a rearrange of everything on the bookshelf, but I do have stuff separated. So like I have all of like the inspirational / Christian stuff on this side, and then on this side is stuff like my school yearbooks are down here. We have family photos down here. We've got political stuff. We've got my Aaron Hildebrand collection over here, and then my collection of books that people I know personally have written, and I try to support them. Anyways, if you guys want like some type of deeper intellectual look into all of my book collection, let me know. I can think about doing a video for that. But until then, we are going to close this video out here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and getting to see, it's kind of a small haul, like a bunch of just like random things. And let me know which was your favorite. Are you guys ready for Halloween, or do you even decorate for Halloween? My camera keeps going crooked, and I don't know why, and it's bugging me. That's my sign that it's time to go, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye.